Hello guys, welcome to my new video and I am here with the AI robot site for you guys. Here you can earn USDT just by quantifying your task guys. So you have to just come on the quantify section given below guys and you can see guys your quantify section will be appeared on your dashboard. After that you have to just click on to start quantify guys and you have to wait until your task get quantified guys. So you can see guys it has been loading. So you have to wait until your task been quantified guys. So you can see guys I had quantify my task and I had received 2.3366 USDT on my basic wallet. I have to just withdraw this amount on my trust wallet. So before that, you have to just come on the me section given below guys. You have to choose me section. Sorry guys, I am for the glitch. So you can see guys, I had come on the me section and you have to just choose withdraw option guys. And sorry guys, I am so network error. So you can see guys, my withdrawal option has been appear on my dashboard guys. So you have to just withdraw this amount on your trust wallet guys. So you can see guys there are two payment method. You can choose any of this payment method. I am choosing BIP20 USDT guys. So after that you have to just put your withdrawal limit guys and your withdrawal address and your password guys. So I am putting my withdrawal address and my password guys. So you can see guys I had put my withdrawal limit and my withdrawal address and my security password guys. After that you have to just confirm your withdrawal amount guys. So you can say guys my withdrawal has been successfully placed. So let's check it on my trust wallet guys. So I had opened my trust wallet guys. So you have to wait until it appears on your trust wallet guys. So I am refreshing my trust wallet guys. It takes some time to appear on your trust wallet guys. So you can say guys I had received 2.43 USDT from this side guys. So now let's come to our side guys. So you can see guys, this site is instantly paying your quantify amount on your trust wallet guys, and you have to just withdraw your amount on your trust wallet guys. So if you want to earn more from this site guys, you have to just come on the quantify section given below and you can choose any of this VIP plan from this site guys. So you can see here guys in VIP 0, you have to just deposit minimum 0 USDT to unlock this VIP 0 plan and your profit ratio will be 10% on your VIP 0 guys. So your quantifiable number of days will be 180 days guys. 2% service charge will be charged on VIP 0 guys. So you can just start depositing and start earning from this VIP plan guys. And you can, if you want to deposit 0 USDT, you can choose VIP 0 plan guys. So you can see guys, there are many VIP plan from this site. You can choose any of this VIP plan. And you can see guys in VIP 1, you have to just deposit minimum 15 USDT to unlock this VIP 1 plan and your profit ratio will be 16.5% on your deposit amount guys and 2% service charge will be on your VIP 1 guys and your quantifiable number of days will be 180 days guys. So you can choose any of this VIP plan guys. So you can say guys there are many VIP plans from this side. In VIP 7 you can see guys you have to just deposit 13 USDT to unlock this VIP 7 plan and your profit ratio will be 25.8% on your deposit amount guys. And as usual 2% service charge will be charged from this VIP plan guys and your quantifiable number of days will be 180 days guys. So you can see guys in VIP 10 plan you have to just deposit 1 lakh USDT to unlock this VIP 10 plan and your profit ratio will be 35.10% on your deposit amount guys. So and your quantifiable number of days will be 180 days guys and your service charge will be 2% guys. So you can start depositing and start earning from this VIP plan guys. So start quantifying and start depositing and start earning USDT just by quantifying your task guys. And guys, if you want to earn more from this site, you have to just come on the invite friend section given below and you have to just share your referral links. You have to just copy it and share it to friend and family so that you can earn reward from this each sharing referral link guys. So you can start sharing your referral links to friends and family and you will receive your rebate income from this site guys. So guys, I'm not a financial advisor. Invest at your own risk. Before investing on such site, guys, research about such site, and after that, you can start depositing and start earning from this site, guys. So, if you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe. And see you in the next video, guys. Till there, take care.